yellow lentils. Soak for 4 to 5 hours. A 1/4 cup water. Grind well. A 1/2 teaspoon red chili flakes. A 1/2 teaspoon salt. A 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. A 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. A 1/2 teaspoon carom seeds. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Mix well. 1 cup all-purpose flour. A 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. Knead in a hard dough. Rest for 10 minutes. 3 tablespoon ghee. 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour. Mix well. Set aside. Divide into parts. Apply ghee and flour mixture. Dust all-purpose flour. Press it. Medium heated oil. Fry on low to medium flame until crispy.